Alright, the last video on this thing was a little lackluster, so we're going to do this again. This thing is much easier to deal with because all I have to do is lift and remove. Very nice, very easy. There's the inducer, it's freaking massive. And it also sounds like crap. Probably the bearings going out. I'm sure the tag probably says somewhere on it that it's permanently lubricated. It's a Fasco sealed ball bearing. Yeah. But yeah, we'll get you guys a good shot of the burners this time around. So here we go. Hear what I mean though about that thing sounding like crap? Look at those burners though, that's so cool. At least I think that's the inducer. And there goes the blower. Get this put back on. And unlike the last one, this machine does not pull air in from the outside. You can see there's just one single thing. See, I just pulls air from the inside. Yeah, I figure I'd get you guys a more updated version of this since the last one. The last one kind of sucked. Yeah, you hear that? Like, that's awful sound. I'm not sure if that's just the, I'm not sure if that's the burners or what. But, yeah, anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.